or whether a person act or not. But when you are saying someone must, then the person has no choice left whatsoever. So इसकी हम examples से देख लेते हैं. Number 1, one must endorse a check before one cashes it. So you have no other option. Before you cash your check, you have to endorse it regardless. So you have no other option. So it's a must to do thing. Example number 2 says George must call his insurance agent today. So it means he must be on the point where he has no more days left. That's why he has no other option. He has to call for the agent today. Example 3, the pharmacist must keep a record of the prescriptions that are filled. So he has no other option. The pharmacist has no other choice than to keep the record of prescriptions he has been prescribing thus far. The question 4 is an automobile must have a gasoline to run, otherwise the automobile can't run. So the must thing is to have a gasoline in. Example 5 is attorney